Number 2 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. Regarding the best 3D printer for students, the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer takes the spotlight with its accessible, fast, and reliable features. Imagine a printer that brings your creative ideas to life with a touch of magic. Picture your designs materializing before your eyes in record time. Plus, with a 25% larger build volume, you can dream big and create more significant projects. But that's not all. The MakerBot Replicator Plus comes with the fantastic Smart Extruder Plus. This extruder is a true superhero, delivering superior results with MakerBot PLA material. It's been meticulously tested for over 160,000 hours to ensure its performance is as reliable as a trusty sidekick. With its standardized features, this 3D printer is a breeze to use. It's cloud-enabled, sporting an LCD, an onboard camera, and multiple connectivity options like USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. You can easily monitor your prints and stay connected to your creative process. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, from the MakerBot Replicator Plus to the Smart Extruder Plus, a spool of PLA, and even a flexible build plate. It's a complete package that sparks the imagination and fuels endless possibilities. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.